In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mention someone on Substack. By the end, you'll know exactly how to tag a person or publication so your note links to them and sends a helpful nudge their way. Start by opening the Composer from your Substack workspace. Look for the Create button. It's the one you use whenever you want to start something new. Give that a click to begin. This brings up your publishing options so you can choose the right format for what you're sharing. Next, select Note. Notes are perfect for quick updates, shoutouts, and conversations with your readers and fellow writers. Choosing Note keeps things short and social, which is ideal for mentions. You'll see a simple text box ready for your message. Now, press the @ symbol, the @. As soon as you type @ in the Note field, Substack opens a mention search right where you're typing. This is your shortcut to finding the person or publication you want to highlight without leaving the Composer or breaking your writing flow. Begin searching for the person you're trying to mention by typing their name, handle, or the title of their publication. As you type, you'll see a list of matching results appear. Take a second to scan the options carefully. Look at the profile name and any familiar details, like the avatar or publication title, so you can be confident you're picking the right account. If nothing shows up, try a different spelling. Include more of the name, or type a unique part of their handle. Keep in mind, you can only tag accounts that exist on Substack, so if they're not on the platform, they won't appear in the suggestions. When you spot the correct person or publication, click their name from the list. That inserts a clean, clickable mention directly in your note, formatting it automatically so readers can tap through. At this point, make sure your message reads the way you want. Mentions work best with a little context, why you're tagging them or what you're referencing, so your readers immediately understand the connection. Finally, click Post. Your note goes live with the mention embedded, linking to the tagged account and notifying them according to their settings. That's it. Quick, clear, and effective. To recap, you clicked Create, chose Note, typed the @ symbol, searched for the right person, selected them from the list, and then clicked Post. Use this flow whenever you want to give credit, spark a conversation, or guide your audience to someone worth following on Substack.